In this video, we're going to take a quick stroll around the Frequencies tab. In our example, we're working with a data set of over 30,000 hotel reviews. With an industry-specific dictionary and an English exclusion list enabled. There are two tabs on the Frequencies tab: Included and Leftover Words. The Included tab displays a frequency table of words if you have not enabled your dictionary, or, in our case as we see here, content categories if you have. Settings on the Text Processing tab determine what appears on the Included tab. Please see the videos on text processing for more information. Leftover words are all the words in the corpus that are not in the Categorization dictionary or that are not included by the options set on the Text Processing tab. I'm just going to disable the dictionary for a moment. Let's take a look at the columns on the Included tab from left to right. Frequency is the number of occurrences of the keyword. Percentage shown, percentage based on the total number of keywords displayed in the table. Percentage processed, percentage based on the total number of words encountered during the analysis. Percentage total, percent based on total number of words that have not been explicitly excluded. Number of cases where this keyword appears. Percent of cases, percentage of cases where this keyword appears. And TF-IDF, term frequency weighted by inverse document frequency. This is a method for determining the importance of a word. The higher the number, the more important the word is. This is based on the assumption that the more often a term occurs in a document, the more it is representative of the contents. Yet the more documents in which the term occurs, the less discriminating it is. The lists can be sorted by clicking on the top of each column. Here we've sorted alphabetically, now by frequency, and so on and so forth. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have a Categorization dictionary panel. This is a categorization dictionary associated with your categorization model. If you have not created a categorization dictionary, this space is blank and ready for you to build one if desired. The items in the dictionary categories appear at the bottom half of the panel. Please see the video called Drag and Drop to Dictionary to see how to add words to this panel. The buttons at the top from left to right include the menu button at the far left. This button gives you the same options you would get if you were to right-click on a word. It allows you to move words to the exclusion list, to substitute words, and to add words to the Categorization dictionary. As well, you can access keyword in context, and keyword retrieval functions. Graphing your data is easy. Select the rows you would like to graph, and then select the Graph button. A useful element in interpreting the results of a content analysis is the possibility of comparing the obtained results to some normative data and identifying how similar or dissimilar the observed frequencies are compared to those norms. This button allows you to create norm files based on content categories and word frequencies and compare them to existing norms. This function will be explained in detail in a future video. You can perform a keyword retrieval with this button right here. This feature can retrieve any document, paragraph, or sentence containing a keyword or a combination of keywords. QDA minor codes can then be attached to the retrieved segments. I'm just going to enable my dictionary and move back to the Frequencies tab. You can automatically code paragraphs and sentences using the current content categories in the dictionary. This option is not available if you have not enabled a categorization dictionary. Please see the video entitled Automatic Retrieval and Coding of Content Categories. The Guidelines button adds lines to the frequency table for easier viewing. The Information button displays a number of statistics on text categorization, such as collection statistics, performance statistics, and coverage statistics. Please see the video called Assessing Dictionary Coverage for more information on what these statistics mean. The Recompute Statistics button is used to reapply the content analysis process on the current dataset. It's like a refresh button. Let's add a word to the exclusion list. And now we can recompute the statistics. The Mapping button allows you to analyze the spatial distribution of topics in the frequency table. Mapping topics requires relating the topics to geographic location information stored in the project variables in the form of longitude and latitude, or of geographic projected coordinates x and y. This button allows you to export your data to Tableau software to make use of their interactive data visualization tools. Various case statistics may be appended to the existing data file or exported to disk in different file formats, including SPSS, Stata, Excel, HTML, XML, and tab or comma delimited text files, allowing the data to be further analyzed. To see this in action, please watch the video called Exporting Case-by-Case Dictionary Statistics. The frequency table can be appended to the report manager, saved to disk, or printed. New in WordStat 8, to the right of the screen, we have the Comparisons tab. This tab allows you to see the distribution of selected words or categories among values of up to 2 structured variables. You can choose from 4 statistics: case occurrence, category percent, word frequency, and rate per 10,000 words. Choose the variable in the By drop-down list. We'll go with rating, and we'll go with case occurrence. You can display using a vertical bar chart, a horizontal bar chart, or a line chart. The bottom chart contains the distribution of keywords or categories that can be represented as a word cloud, a vertical line chart, which, let me expand that so you can see it better, a horizontal line chart, a pie chart, and a donut chart. You can display the distribution with the same statistics seen on the frequency table. Frequency, percent shown, percent processed, percent total, number of cases, and percent of cases. Remember, you can always drill back down to the posts themselves through these charts. The Suggestions tab suggests words found within the current text collection. This panel displays for the currently selected item synonyms, antonyms, related words such as hypernyms, hyponyms, and coordinate terms, as well as words with the same beginning, including inflected and misspelled forms that are found in the current text collection along with their frequency. Related word cater and the frequency of 15 times. The words can easily be added to the categorization dictionary or the exclusion list by selecting the word, right-clicking, and adding to the exclusion list or to the categorization dictionary. This can also be done by dragging and dropping. Please see the video called Dragging and Dropping to a Dictionary for more information on how this is done. Please also see a video called Automatic Suggestion Features for more information on suggestions. And that brings us to the end of our Introduction to the Frequencies page. Please take the time to watch some of the other videos mentioned for a more detailed explanation of some of the features. Remember, your user guide is always accessible by selecting the question mark at the top right.